In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make all your Figma links open directly in the desktop app instead of the browser. If you use the Figma desktop app frequently, you've probably noticed how annoying it is when every shared link opens in your browser first, even when you only want to work in the app. To fix this, let me walk you through the process. Imagine you have a Figma link that someone sent you. Normally, when you click it, your browser launches the file right away. But if you want that same link to open straight inside the desktop app, there's a quicker option. When the file loads in the browser, click on the Figma menu and choose the option that says Open in Desktop App. The file will immediately switch over and open inside your installed Figma application. If you don't want to do this every single time, you can set it as your default behavior. Go back to the Figma menu, open the Preferences section, and enable the setting that says Open Links in Desktop App. Once this is turned on, any Figma link you click, whether from email, your team chat, or your browser, will automatically redirect into the desktop app without you needing to do anything extra. You can close all the browser tabs afterward because from now on, the app will handle everything for you. Try it out whenever you open your next design link, and you'll see it go from the browser to the desktop app instantly. It's a small change, but it makes the workflow a lot smoother if you prefer working in the desktop version of Figma.